Hi, I'm Lori Schneider from Austin, Texas, and owner of Figs Catering. On behalf of Expert Village, we're going to show you how to make vegetable spring rolls with a Thai peanut sauce. So now we're going to fill our spring rolls. So I've got my wet spring roll wrapper here in the center of my cutting board, and I'm going to start by adding 2 pieces of cucumber. And again, you can add as many or as little of these things as you would like. I'm going to add 2 pieces of carrots, again in the center, about 2/3 of the way down on the wrapper. And then I'm going to add a good handful of our bean sprouts. And last, I'm going to go ahead and add our cilantro leaves. So I'm going to add 2 of those here. Now when you're filling your spring roll, you want to make sure that you don't overfill it. As you'll see soon, the rice paper is very, very delicate, and if you overfill it and try and wrap it, it will bust on you. So you want to have about a good 1/2 inch or so of filling in your wrapper. Now we have vegetables in our wrapper today, but you can do other things like tofu, shrimp, any kind of combination of things that you like.